Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you how to get the saber. Well, I already pressed all of the green buttons. You're gonna go to jungle. So you need to have the aura. So you press this, you activate your aura and then go to combat. That's what you want to do. Go to the quest giver. Then get in. While you press all the buttons, you'll see this hole here. The sassy hole. And then you're gonna get down, get the chest, then get the torch, and get up. That's what you want to do. If you would like to go... Wait, where's my friend? I think he is not here. So you wanna go ahead to go to the desert island, I guess. So if you know the coordinates to the you know what I'm saying. Wait, I'm just gonna teleport home. Now you're teleported to home. And to go here to the desert island. Oh, like back. Wait, what the? Where's the thing? The big thing. Bro, I literally don't know the coordinates. Okay, we're so close. There's an itty bitty. Gosh, man. Now, if you arrive, you see this abandoned sinking house. You would like to gladly go ahead to it. So you won't see a back door at this house because it doesn't. And greetings, you'll see that. Go down here. Burn this thing. Yeah, boy! Burn! Bro. Oh, there you go. If power you seek, fill up the cup. A leak left alone in the world. And the cold is the story to be told. So gladly get the cup. Then you would like to defeat one of the desert bandits. The godly cup. Wait, it's not afraid. Oh no. After you hit him a lot, you would gladly go to... Okay, no, this is not afraid. Guys, I'll be giving away a fruit, so make sure to subscribe and comment down below on the comment section your name. I'll give you a fruit. If it's not a good fruit, you'll still accept it because I worked hard for a good fruit. Wait, is that a mammoth? Wait, no way. Oh, sorry guys, it's just my mom's friend. It's my mom's friend. Why is it? mind that, guys. That guy is just too annoying. Yeah, that's right. So I think there's a mama fruit. I thought there was some fruits here, but no. I'm so sad. So guys, we're gonna go to the wait, teleporting to Pirates Tartar. Bro, teleport me. Bro, this is so boring. Bro, if I was just faster. Gonna teleport. Okay, we teleported home. We're gonna teleport home to our pirate starter. Now you're gonna go do the thing again. So you'll see that you're what, bro? Sorry about that, chats, guys. This is my mom's phone. I'm borrowing it because I don't have Roblox on my phone. I have two phones. My mom's phone and my dad's phone and my phone. Oh, sorry, it was true. I have three phones. Bro!